how to fix the update error 0x800F081F in Windows 11. Error 0x800F081F pops up when key .NET Framework 3.5 files go missing or get corrupted. It often causes Windows Update failures, slowing down patches and putting your system at risk. In this video, we'll show you how to fix error 0x800F081F on Windows 11 and answer the most common questions power users have. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Enable .NET Framework 3.5 via DISM using ISO or local media. For all the methods we'll mention, you'll need administrator rights to use these methods. To fix error 0x800F081F, pick the solution that best fits your system and organization's needs. For this fix, you'll also need a Windows ISO file. If error 0x800F081F shows up during online setup, try running DISM with a local Windows image instead. To perform this method, mount your Windows 11 ISO and note its drive letter. Open Command Prompt as administrator, then run replace with the ISO's letter, and make sure the path is correct with read permissions. Method 2. Install .NET Framework via Optional Features GUI. This easy method uses the Windows interface. Open Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features, turn Windows features on or off. Check .NET Framework 3.5, click OK, and let Windows Update download the files. Method 3. Reset Windows Update components. For this method, press Win+S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, run as administrator. Stop Windows Update services, run these one by one. Rename the update cache folders. Restart the services. Close the window and run Windows Update again. Method 4. Run SFC and DISM to repair corruption in error 0x800F081F. Corrupted files can block updates and cause errors. Use Windows tools like SFC and DISM to repair them. Press Win+S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, run as administrator. Run System File Checker, SFC/scan now. Wait for it to hit 100%. If it repaired files, you have the option to restart. Run DISM to repair the Windows image using this command. Restart your PC, then try Windows Update again. Method 5. Configure group policy for optional component installation. Sometimes company policies block .NET updates. You can fix this through group policy by allowing Windows to pull clean components from Microsoft. Press Win+S, type gpedit.msc, and open it. In the left pane, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System. On the right, double-click Specify Settings for Optional Component Installation and Component Repair. Select Enable. Check Download Repair Content and Optional Features directly from Windows Update. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your PC to save changes. Error 0x800F081F can block key Windows updates and features, so fixing it is important for system stability. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to fix the update error 0x800F081F in Windows, linked in the description below.